Hi, welcome to my tutorial. This is how to put an image into a photo template using Adobe Photoshop Elements. All right, to get started, I'm in Elements. This is Elements 2023, but pretty much the tools that I'm using are all very similar to every version. So I try to make sure I'm here an expert, and I want to make sure down here that I'm clicked on the layers palette. I have my layers palette here. You want to go to File, Open your template file, and click on your template file, open that up. And then what I want to first do is I want to click on the layer in the layers palette that I want the image to go into. And then you want to make sure you're clicked on the left hand side of that layer. You can see that here in the layers palette. You want to open up your image. Go File, Open, select your image, that image. Now you want to go up to the top and go Select All, Edit, Copy, go back to the template file, and you go Edit, Paste the image in here. So now you can see that the image is on its own layer above the layer 1 here that we're working with. You want to size the image. There's two different ways you can do that. You can go up to Image, Transform, Free Transform, and it'll give you the little handlebars here. Then you can make your image larger, smaller as needed, and hit Enter or Return. Or you can go over to the left tool palette here, and you can click on this move tool here, and you can also pull up the handlebars to size your image and move it around as need be. And you click on the green check mark here, and then I go back to the hand. And now you want to go to Layer, Create Clipping Mask, and then that masks the image inside of that layer box. Now you can still freely move that image around. You can go back up to Image, Transform, Free Transform, and you can easily move that image inside the box. Make it larger, smaller. Hit Enter. We can do one more, add another image here. So we click on Layer 2, click on the left-hand side, inside that layer. Go File, Open, go on another image, open the image, select all, edit, copy, and go back to the template file, go Edit, Paste, and again go Image, Transform, Free Transform, size your image as need be, bring it up over the box to go in. You can either hit the green check mark here or hit Enter or Return, and go up to Layer, Create Clipping Mask, and there, the image is masked inside the image box. I'd free transform it again a little bit more, move it around, get a little bigger if you want inside that image box. And I hit Enter or Return, and there we go. Now you can continue these steps to fill the other boxes as needed. So I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can always feel free to message me. Thank you for watching.